Okay, good morning guys. Karon maghimo ta og mango macaroni salad. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. I have only 4 cups of cooked macaroni, 1 kilo mango, 2 packs of all-purpose cream, 1 pack of sliced cheese, and then 1 can of milk, condensed milk, and then 1 and 1/2 cups of mayonnaise, and then kani akong nata di coco, duha ka 340 grams o duha ka 220 grams. Okay? So, let's mix it. Okay? All-purpose cream. The all-purpose cream and I use chilled all-purpose cream, but you can use also kung isang dili chilled, okay ra pod. Okay. Okay. The macaroni, cooked macaroni. And then guys, the nata di coco, I drain this one, but you know the nata di coco is very kanang tubigon siya ba. So even if I drain it already, ako na ni gi-drain guys, pero ning tubig lang gyapon. Tubigon mangud ni siya. Okay. Okay guys, it's super yummy na. And then guys, next is the sliced cheese. But if you don't like cheese, it's optional only. Kung di mo ganahan mo kaon og cheese, so ayaw lang butangig cheese. Wow. Look at that one guys, oh, it's super yummy. I'm going to use a spoon guys and test it. It's yummy guys. Okay, to balance the taste or the sweet, just a pinch of salt guys. More. It's already good, guys. Okay? So, I put salt. Imo lang siya tilawan eh. Imong pagtanaw nga medyo okay na ang timpla. Dili na kay tamis or kuan. Mao na siya. Okay? So, this is our mango macaroni salad. It's done. And it's super yummy. Okay, guys. If you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bruja. To my Instagram, D_Bro_Ja. And to my TikTok at The Cooking Show. And to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. And to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching. Okay. Mana?